What's up, fellas? We out here today on a damn 2022 Kenworth Paccar MX-13. Got a water pump that's going out. Got just a little charge leak there. Not too bad. I got the water pump. It's that old variable speed water pump. Got two sensors on it. Sensor was reading messed up, so I got to checking into it. The water pump was leaking, so I already drained the fluid out of it. Luckily it had that. That's nice. But we got several codes on the old truck. We're gonna try to read some codes here in a little bit, see what we can figure out on it and get this water pump off. And on the water pump, so you got 5 bolts on that water pump, 5 10 millimeters. This is 22 Kenworth. Like I say, you got 5 10 millimeters on that. The belt tensioner was seized up right there. Couldn't get that other belt off. This tensioner was fine, but both belts are dry rotted. I mean, they're just old. They're cracking. And we're already in here. Might as well replace them. How you gonna send a water pump? Brand new. You notice anything there? It won't even come with a seal. Box is empty. No seal. Seal. It's the way it goes, guys. You come to a job and the guy says, "Oh, just gotta do this." Well, it never turns out just to that. It turns out the belts are bad, one of the tensioners are bad, and it just keeps going. That's the way it goes, though. New pump in, new filter, new belt on the bottom, on the inside. Waiting on the tension puller, the belt tensioner pulley for the second belt. Goes right there. Getting ready to put some coolant in it though.